Hello my friends, today we have some kind of a kitchen gadget over here. This is Salton Slim Induction Cooktop. I got it in Costco, so it was on sale. I decided let's give it a try, and for the amount of money I pay for it, it was worth experimenting. I didn't have time to actually get to it sooner. It was sitting on the shelf for probably about a month, but I think today is the time to take a look and to see what we get for $50, 50 Canadian dollars. So this is induction cooktop. So this is portable unit which can be plugged in into your power outlet, and you can have induction power on the go technically everywhere in the house you need. So obviously, like it's stated over here, your cookware should be induction compatible, whatever it means. We will take a look at this one because I think aluminium stuff will not gonna work. Well, straight aluminium. And does it have to be steel? Does it have to be cast iron? Does it have to be stainless steel? Can it be something else? We're gonna give it a shot. I'm not gonna cook chicken over here or anything like that, but I will try at least to understand what cookware is compatible. This pretty big box barely fits on my bench. Oh, 2 languages over here. This thing has 5 years warranty, which is kind of kick-ass. It's not bad. It is safe, it is precise, because I think what they meant to say here, because it has this like temperature gauge, so you can different modes. Nice. It doesn't sound too bad, especially which is make this thing, by the description, this thing is much more advanced than my actually a stove on a kitchen. So yeah, maybe if it's really precise and works nicely, I may just use it instead. Also, I'm very interested how much power this thing consumes in comparison to, for example, a kettle. Like, is it comparable amount of energy? Is this more efficient? Is less efficient? Regular electric kettle, which is boils the water, probably this is not going to be as efficient, because you have to wirelessly, so let's say so-called wirelessly, transfer energy through the magnetic induction rather than just directly heating the water. So probably this, by all given equivalent energy applied, will be less efficient. Alright, well, let's just stop talking and take a look what we have here. Alright, we have to unbox it. Oh yeah, I love unboxing, right? Especially if it's that big. Okay, it opens on this side, and oh my god, it's not heavy, it's just uncomfortable. Okay, I'll just do it like this. Ta-da! Ditch the box. Okay, nice recyclable packaging, which is gonna go right behind my back. Oh, this is nice. I like this cellular kind of cardboard. Go away. Aha! Read me first. Alright, oh, look at that. It's actually, they made something interesting over here. So, there is a tag says, you can easily check if your cookware will work by taking the magnet provided below and placing it on the bottom of your pot or pan. If the magnet sticks to the bottom, then your cookware is induction compatible. Interesting, interesting. This is good to know. For future information, blah blah blah. Salton, enjoy the fastest. Alright, so technically, if your stainless steel pot or copper pot doesn't have any stainless steel inserts or steel inserts, this ain't not gonna work. So you're gonna try some of my kitchen pots and pans. I do have some which clearly gonna work. I have cast iron frying pans, I have a steel kettle and things like that, but it's not majority of my cookware, so who knows? Who knows? Also, if you, for example, have stainless steel or steel pot with copper bottom, it's not gonna work either. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's continue. I think I'll figure out something. So I'm not gonna do run and do test right now because I'm pretty sure I can find. Sorry for the shaking. Oh, it's noisy. I will mute that, and I hate when I do this. Okie dokie. Oh, look at this! There is a fan. Let's see, there is a fan. So there's something overheating in there. Okay. User manual. Magnetic thingy. Remove this plastic, annoying. Okay, magnetic thingy is good to have. Well, technically, you can just use any magnet. User manual. 2 languages. Very nice. French and English. La la la. Well, who cares? Okay. Oh my god, this thing is shiny. It's very hard to actually make video of this kind of shiny objects. Okay, let's turn it this way. It looks pretty slick actually. It looks like a laptop and weighs as a regular laptop. So it's kind of cool to have a... Okay, this I'm twisting the wire. I'm twisting it the wrong way. Or actually start retwisting it. Okay, now it's better. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in just right now. Alright, I think we have a contact. Over here the red light is blinking, so let's try to power it up. And what's happening? It shows E1 or A1 in beeping. Let's see what the heck that's supposed to mean. A1 or E1, cookware sensor detection check. Right, looks like we have put some pot on it. Powered off. Oh, by the way, works. So yeah, it works. Supposed to work. And yeah, let's put some water in it because it says do not run it empty. Okay, let's try power it up again. Ooh, whatever it's doing. Oh, it's a power, I guess. Oh, it's power. Right. How do you change Celsius? Cool. Okay, 60. So this thing doesn't go less. Sorry, it's noise. This fan. Oh wow, it's pretty warm already. It was around 250 milliliters of water. And it's already cooking. That's not bad. I'm not gonna test like, you know, things like how much time it takes to boil X amount of water, because it's all really relative, so I have to have more controlled experiment than just this whatever random pot. But nevertheless, I'm gonna see how much energy it takes to boil for example, a liter of water. This versus my kettle. I do this experiment separate from now, okay? That's just gonna be bonus video because it's probably require a bit more proper setup than I have here. But this water is already pretty warm. It's going. And obviously putting the lid would be a bit more efficient here. But clearly this pot works. And let's try something here like this. And I feel it's, I don't know if it's start getting too close to boiling point, but pot is kind of shaking. Or it's yeah, it's a fan. Never mind. Fan is loud. Oh wow, I crank up to 240, look at the water. It's really going, it's like high. The highest setting. Well, it's almost boiling here. Okay, I'm not gonna let it boil, I'm gonna just do this. An error. Okay, let's shut it down. Okay, so as you notice, when I remove this pot from here, it immediately thrown an error and probably stop heating up the stove top. And obviously the surface is hot just because it'll be nice if they put some kind of LED illuminating this. It's hot because this glass top just got hot from the metal, right? It's not just hot because it's hot from the inside, it's hot because it was big chunk of metal heated was over here. Now it's radiate warmth, I feel it, but that's pretty much it. So okay, now it's cooled down to some point. I think internals cooled down, and now it's quiet finally. It's not bad. You can lock this apparently. You can change mode. You can have a timed. You can have it set the temperature, and that's pretty much it. Okay, it's not bad and it's clearly working. Question is how efficient it is. This I'm gonna answer in separate little block. But now let's take a look what make it work. This is what I was waiting for, to see what's inside. Okay, right, so obviously we did unplug it. It's very important to unplug it. Also, I'm not sure if this has any capacitors inside which are still kind of loaded. Oh yeah, looks like those guys not joking around. They are using security bits over here. Looks like my security bit set may be useful for this one. Alright, I don't even know if I have necessary thingy. Let me take a look. I might not even have any. It's like, is this one gonna work? Looks like this one gonna work. This is 3. Like a Philips, but 3, not 4. I'm not sure how it's called. Alright, let's quickly unscrew it. By the way, if you are interested to have a similar screw set or screwdriver bit set, please take a look at my link over here. I reviewed it not so long ago. Looks like we have 8 self-toppers. Oh my god, this is so cool! But I have to turn it upside down. Too bad this wire is not detachable. Ta-da! Just take a look at that. Looks like I broke some sort of a whatever it is here. Oh yeah, okay. Yes, I did broke something. So this was thermal paste connected to that, probably a temperature sensor. That's why I will reapply thermal paste. No big deal, I have a lot of thermal paste. Cool. Okay, we have fan, obviously. We have big, I don't know, there's those relays or something. We have big heatsink over here. I assume there's some insulation cutouts. I assume this is some sort of power element, probably one or few driver transistors. I assume, because I have to take a look. We have control board over here. We have those thingies, I don't know what are they. Looks like we have a little bit more different things which can be done here. Look like those little buttons. So this is sensors, capacitive sensors over here, and there are more stuff going on here. Alright, the controller board connected just with 4 pins. And it says clock data plus 5 volt and ground. That's it. Yeah. Curious about that. MKPHX2. Are those filtering things? 8 microfarad, 0.3 microfarad, 600 volt, 275 volt AC. So what do we have here? Okay, we have mains. This is probably filtering stuff over here. Big like LC filter or something to this extent. Really hard to tell. Then we have another one like this. It's MKPX2 5 microfarad. Yeah. I assume only. There is a mauve over here. Then we have this look like is the tiny power supply, little buzzer, and I don't see the microcontroller, unless it just no, I cannot unscrew with this one. Microcontroller probably on the back side of that board. This thing is a bit dangerous because it probably runs on some intense high voltage, so I have to make sure I'm not gonna kill myself. And this is tiny microcontroller of some sort. Above A96 blah blah blah. The main thing is branded above. Above. Whatever above means. Yeah, only 2 screws. Like, who cares? Why you need that many screws, right? Like, look at this, how many screws can be here. All those things are wired, but probably not all of them are working, clearly. I'm not sure if they programmatically wired, I do not know, but that's cool. Alright. As I understand, it should be another microcontroller, I'm pretty sure, on the back side of this board. Curious what kind of voltage is good. But the most kind of amazing things for me is this big ass coil. It actually have not just, it's not one level of coil, it's like, I think is it one? No, it's actually 2. One, and there's a smaller one underneath of it. Curious. Like 2 turns smaller. So this is double coils, and those 2 are single coils. There is no another coil behind it. I think it's just one big coil, just coiled this way. I honestly do not know how to test what kind of voltage it runs. Probably big voltage. But I think we have to dig a little bit further and to see how this board comes apart. Alright, I'm digging a bit further, so I'm detaching this controller board. sure what this unit is. Oh yeah, okay. Those are two big ass transistors of some sort. Okay, you wanna unscrew that for now. It's just not easy to turn it upside down. Okay, I have removed this thermistor. Okay, this is clearly a thermistor. I'll try to use beefier screwdriver in order to remove these guys. Oh wow, that's really... Okay, this one is going. Look at this. It was actually not making proper contact over here because of the heat shrink. So that's lovely. Oh wow, this is like not cooperating at all. I'm actually afraid to break the board. It's flexing so much. Oh wow, that was okay. I don't know which one is thermistor now, because it looks like it's two. Right, now when we pulled all this apart, I think that's it for now. Okay, my friends, here we assemble it back to its original shape. So I have my kilowatt power meter, and let's try to power this up. I'm gonna put it right here and see how much energy the thing consumes while operational. So 2.6 watt while pretty much doing nothing. Okay, I powered it up, but it's not yet warming up anything. When I try to... It's just beeping, because obviously... Interesting that actually power consumption has dropped. What about power factor? Oh my god, it's 0.1. It's a little bad power factor. Okay, let's shut it down. I'll be back. Alright, my friends, as you know now in standby it consumes 2.6 watt, and I prepare my stopwatch over here. I want to see how much time it's gonna take to boil this 1 liter of water, which is at room temperature. I'm gonna use a lid, and let's give it a go. Alright, start. So now it consumes 1.3 and a half, roughly 1364 watts. So this device is rated for 1.5 kilowatt. So this is maximum power at the moment. And see how it's gonna go. 23 seconds. I don't know what the temperature will be. When it starts boiling, I'm gonna stop the counter. I hope my lens over here, over there, not gonna fog up too much. I just gonna put this little orifice over here just to let steam out this way. Okay, it Yeah, it's completely fucked up. And it took 5 minutes 18 seconds. I'm gonna compare it with my kettle just to understand. Did it? Hello guys, hi. No, it's not sauna. No, it's not, you don't even see that. Okay, it is 5 minutes 18 seconds. I was expecting this, so no big deal. So yes, it took 5 minutes 18 seconds to boil 1 liter of water from room temperature to boiling, obviously, temperature. I don't know if it's good or bad. Please share your results. I'm gonna take my I think it's 1.5 kilowatt kettle and compare with the same 1 liter. I'm gonna post this result here, but I'm just not gonna shoot the video. Interesting that power consumption all the way until it started boiling was like 1300 watt, but when it actually started boiling it dropped to like 1 kilowatt. So I'm just wondering why. Also, I'm wondering why this thing does not do it at full tilt. So I was expecting it gonna actually crank up 1500 watt right away, immediately, but it was just 1300 watt or something like that. So I don't know, maybe this is marketing wank and they just claim this is 1500 watt, but it actually can do only like less than that for whatever reason. Efficiency or whatever other problems. I'm gonna conclude with this cooktop. So this is for you a inductive cooktop from Salton, purchased in Costco, 45 Canadian dollars. I don't know, you judge it if it works or not, but I think it's worth it, especially when you're gonna travel. It's relatively light. It's probably weigh as much as a regular not so thin laptop, like cheap laptop with battery. So yeah, it's not too bad. I think it could be useful. Definitely you can cook something on the go. If you're traveling, going to Airbnbs and things like that, you can have your little thingy and just can make some food right in your room, or you can use it in your kitchen if you need some quick and some warm up something. Yeah, it's pretty useful. I think it is pretty useful. Power efficiency and power consumption still have to be kind of investigated with time. Durability, I don't know, seems to be pretty durable. It's a big hunk of glass, probably thermal proof glass. Yeah, how durable, how electrical components gonna be working with time, I don't know. It has some warranty. I think it has 1 year warranty, and I purchased it on credit card, which is allow me to extended year warranty. I don't know, I didn't see the warranty stuff. 5 years of warranty from the, oh my god, this thing has 5-year warranty, guys. It's no joke. Yeah, well, it's almost as good as cheap. Energy consumption just jumped to 4 watts. Curious why. Probably listen to me. Got all excited. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. If you like this sort of video, please like and subscribe, and see you later. Okay, my friends, here we assemble it back to its original shape. So I have my kilowatt power meter, and let's try to power this up. I'm gonna put it right here and see how much energy the thing consumes while operational. So 2.6 watt while pretty much doing nothing. Okay, I powered it up, but it's not yet warming up anything. When I try to... it's just beeping, because obviously... Interesting that actually power consumption has dropped. What about power factor? Oh my god, it's 0.1. It's a little bad power factor. Okay, let's shut it down. I'll be back. Alright, my friends, as you know now in standby it consumes 2.6 watt, and I prepare my stopwatch over here. I wanna see how much time it's gonna take to boil this 1 liter of water, which is at room temperature. I'm gonna use a lid, and let's give it a go. Alright, start. So now it consumes 1.3 and a half, roughly 1364 watts. So this device is rated for 1.5 kilowatt. So this is maximum power at the moment. And see how it's gonna go. 23 seconds. I don't know what the temperature will be. When it starts boiling, I'm gonna stop the counter. I hope my lens over here, over there, not gonna fog up too much. I just gonna put this little orifice over here just to let steam out this way. Okay. Okay. It's completely fogged up, and it took 5 minutes 18 seconds. I'm gonna compare it with my kettle just to understand. Did it? Hello guys, hi. No, it's not sauna. No, it's not, you don't even see that. Okay, it is 5 minutes 18 seconds. I was expecting this, so no big deal. So yes, it took 5 minutes 18 seconds to boil 1 liter of water from room temperature to boiling, obviously, temperature. I don't know if it's good or bad. Please share your results. I'm gonna take my I think it's 1.5 kilowatt kettle and compare with the same 1 liter. I'm gonna post this result here, but I'm just not gonna shoot the video. Interesting that power consumption all the way until it started boiling was like 1300 watt, but when it actually started boiling it dropped to like 1 kilowatt. So I'm just wondering why. Also, I'm wondering why this thing does not do it at full tilt. So I was expecting it gonna actually crank up 1500 watt right away, immediately, but it was just